Hello guys, it's me Yuki. This is just a quick unboxing and review for the Doc Martens boots that I just bought. Just to note that this is actually an old unpublished video that I just recovered from my old laptop that went crazy before. I think there are still few pairs either brand new or used that are still being sold online, and you can use this video as a guide. This is the 1460 Bex Zip Fushion black boots that I bought as birthday gift for myself. Well, as usual, this one got all the standard DM attributes and qualities like yellow thread and smooth leather finish. I'm not gonna dwell on everything, so I'll just show you a quick view of these boots. I really love the zipper design of this one since it reminds me of the Final Fantasy and Kingdom Hearts aesthetics. I prefer DMs with unique designs, and I don't want to buy plain black boots since there are so many fake versions of those already. The zippers are functional, but do not expect that you can put something inside since these are just plain designs. The base of the sole is around 1 inch thick but gets thicker at the back since it will give you around 1.5 inches heel elevation. Here's a quick view of myself wearing it. The base is very sturdy and quite heavy due to the sole's thickness, but I still feel okay while wearing it. Overall, I'm happy with these boots, and until now they are still looking fantastic except for minor creases as I wear this from time to time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support my small channel by subscribing and feel free to browse my playlist.